Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, guys, so today's video, this is a Valentine's basket tutorial. I'm going to show you guys the things that I have in the basket. I'm going to put the basket together for you guys and let you guys see how it looks once it's done. And we're just going to talk about it for a little bit. I thought this would be great. The things that I have been finding at the dollar stores like Dollar General and Dollar Tree have been absolutely fantastic. Nothing in this video came from anywhere else but the dollar stores. We're going to start out first with the two most expensive things that I bought. Nothing was over $5. And I bought one thing that was $5 and one thing that was $3. And the rest of everything else that you are going to see is $1.25 or $1. Some of it came from the Dollar General store and was only $1. So anyways, the first being this hair turban. This is so stinking cute, you guys. Oh my goodness. This is darling. This was $5, but this is every bit worth it. It is too cute. And they say that these are really good for your hair. And my daughter goes to bed with a wet head. I know you're not supposed to do that, but that's what she does. So I thought this would be perfect for her. And it's actually pretty good size. It's a, if you pull it on out, let me show you guys. Look at it. It's a big one. It's very good size. It's not like the little thin ones from the Dollar Tree. And nothing against the ones from the Dollar Tree. But it's not like those. This is a big, thick, it feels like, it almost feels like the material that your house coats would be made out of. That's exactly what it feels like. The other being this cosmetic headband. Same thing. Feels like cashmere or something. It's so stinking soft, you guys. How cute is this though? Come on now. If you've got somebody, I just love this. I thought it was darling. If this one was $3, I don't think it says on here, but this was $3. And this is just, it's too cute. It's funny. I just thought it was darling for a Valentine gift to throw in the basket anyways. All right, moving right along. I saw these and just absolutely could not resist. I had to pick these up. These are hilarious and absolutely the cutest things I've ever seen. Look, their eyes move. Oh, she messed up. Oh, she real messed up. Her eyes is upside down, bless her. Anyways, these are so cute. These were $1. Oh my goodness, at the Dollar General, you guys. They are so stinking cute. And there's a boy one. I'll have to go get him and show you guys before the end of the video. I'll show you the boy one. Because I got one for John Wesley. I thought it was funny. These are so stinking cute. All right, next up, I found these brushes. These are such a cool find. They are the rose brushes or whatever. They're super duper soft. I bought one for myself. And they are very soft. Very nice bristles. Check it out. Super soft. You can tell. You can tell by looking at it. It's a real, I don't know how to explain it. I've got makeup on and I don't want to mess this up, but sorry, I about dropped y'all. Anyways, it's really soft though, super duper soft. I love this. I used mine to put on my tanner, my fake tan. That's what I used mine for, and it was perfect for that. It literally worked absolutely perfect for that. But they are so cute, so cute. Spa headbands. Y'all, these came from the Dollar Tree, and they are so cute. Are you kidding me right now? Dollar Tree? What? Dollar Tree stepping it up. These are good and thick. The bow even has, wire in it so that you can make it, you can adjust it or whatever and make it set just perfect. These are darling for $1, you guys. Darling and perfect for a little basket like this. All right, I did find microfiber hair towels at the Dollar Tree, and they had some cute ones. They had the ones with lips, and then they had the ones with the pink hearts. I thought these were too cute and perfect for this basket. They are just too cute. Now, these are super thin, but they do work. Like, they are good for, like, to take with you, maybe if you're traveling or something like that, when you just need to have something, you know, and you don't want to take a big, thick one. They're perfect for travel. Let's see. I found this little lip gloss with the pom-pom. I thought that was cute. Something you could throw on your keychain, and then you got the pretty lip gloss to go with it. And this was made by that Be Pure company. It says Be Color. Along with the hair turbans, there were several other things that like matched that. And so I grabbed 2 of these, the little towel scrunchies. Too cute. Loving these. Yeah. And then they also had the combs. One with the pink hearts and one with the lips. Too cute, you guys. These are darling. And they are so perfect for this basket. Like, so perfect. I grabbed some of the bath bombs that I found. One was the lips. One was the vanilla rose scented. But there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bath fizzers in here, you guys. 7 of them. And then this one was just cute because it was the lips. But little ornaments to pop in there just to give it a little pop of color and like a little bit of the sparkly whatever, you know. $1 a piece at the Dollar General store, you guys. So stinking cute. Come on. These are too cute. I cannot help it. They are cute, okay? All right. I found this little cup. I thought this was so cute. Says you have my heart. Looks like it's got a donut or something on top. It is so cute. This I found at the Dollar General store. Dollar General or Dollar Tree? Ooh. That one I'm not sure about. I think that one's a Dollar Tree. I grabbed one of these. I cannot believe I found this, y'all. This is like a unicorn item at the Dollar Tree, for heaven's sake. Oh, did y'all hear that thunder? My word. Like, it's storming outside, but I thought it was just like a little bit of a storm. I don't know what's going on now. That was very loud. It kind of rattled my windows. Anyways, all right, so I did find one of these. I think it is so cute. They had a red one and a pink one, and you can put like something small. So you would have to put like what are those things? Red Hots, the little bitty Red Hots, or maybe Skittles, or you know, something like that. But this is super cute, and I was so excited to be able to find one of these because these will boom, be gone the second that they are put out. All right, moving right along. I found the cutest little glasses. How darling are these? The little hearts. They are so cute, and they're like rose colored. Oh, I love those. Several things of the eyeshadows. There were lip glosses. They had lots of this stuff right here, you guys. Also grabbed a pop of the little nails. I thought these were perfect. You've got a younger person that maybe you're making a basket for. These are perfect for that. Something else that I got at the Dollar General store. And you know, the younger kids are into these little squishy things. So I grabbed 2 sets of these. I got both sets. There's 4 altogether, and I was able to get both sets. So anyways, and they were $1 a piece, for heaven's sake. So I also grabbed a little ring. How pretty is this, you guys? Now, I know it's not going to stay like that because it was only $1. So it probably will tarnish and whatever, but it's just fun. It's so fun to throw in the basket and have something like that, and have the recipient have something to wear for as long as it'll last. You know what I mean? Like, I think it's so cute. I found this in the nail section. Now, this is not a Valentine per se, but this was perfect for the basket. It is the nail stamp. It's like the thing that you use to stamp onto your nails. And then I actually found the nail stamp plate. So that's cool. I know somebody that likes to do their nails a lot, so I think I'm going to be putting that in one of the baskets as well. And then last but not least, I found a clip-on light for your phone, and it's pink. Let me open this up, and we will see what we're working. Oh, no, it's all taped up and everything. I don't want to mess up the box. Well, anyways, too cute. It is pink, and it's a little light for your phone. I know it's not going to light up the world, but it's fun. It's fun. Okay. It's perfect for these baskets. These baskets are so cute and so just, I don't know. I love them. Anyways, and I just keep finding stuff to stick in them. So it's like now become, I have to stop or they're going to end up costing me too much because I put too much into them. That was $1. $1 here, $1 here, $1 here, $1 here. It does add up. Okay. It does. But these were like, my love language is giving. I love to give. I love to make presents. I love to, like, it's all about the details for me. And I love that kind of stuff to do for other people. So anyways, these baskets are really important to me and I cannot wait for the recipients to get them. Anyways, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. This will be the end of it. I don't have anything else to show you, unfortunately. I love hanging out with y'all like this. It's always a good time. Always a good time. Anyways, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being with me. And y'all have a blessed day.